This might be one of the most interesting Bluetooth speakers I've ever seen. This video is sponsored by MorningBlues. So getting into a quick unboxing, inside this smaller box we got some white gloves, had to put them on, proprietary power cable here, thankfully it's USB-C, got a microfiber cloth to keep fingerprints off, little branding, quick start guide, don't need that, and then into the speaker. Holy smokes. Okay, that's the back. That's the front. This little speaker definitely has some heft to it, but on the top here we've got a nice clean flat panel. On the bottom we got a little product info and it's 4 little rubber feet to keep this thing upright. Alright, so initial impressions, this thing is pretty crazy. I mean, you don't have a whole lot going on. It's a very clean and modern design. On the one side here you've got the MorningBlues logo with a volume dial and button in the center. And then on the back, you've got 2 USB-A, USB-C, and a power button. But besides that, you've got this dark metal housing, metal screws. Got the see-through screen with the 2 speakers located on the front. Alright, so after going through the setup process, downloading the app and letting the speaker update, I finally got to see what this thing was capable of. So you have 14 dynamic effects. The speaker responds to the rhythm, pace, and mood of each track and brings lyrics to life in real time. Now some of these are a little too much for my taste, so the clean and simple choices are the ones I'll be keeping selected. Now besides just playing lyrics on screen, it does have a couple other options. One, you can upload your personal photos and videos to use as a digital picture frame. 2, if you want to keep things simple, they have a couple clock options to set if you're not using it, want to keep it running in the background. And lastly, I think one of the biggest points is the various music backgrounds or ASMR sleep modes that it offers. It has a bunch of different options depending on the type of day or specific mood you're going for. Now to match the visuals, these dual full range drivers deliver high fidelity sound, and it's very apparent when you play these ambient scenes when the sounds really come over the light background. Now I should also mention that these are the world's first transparent drivers featured on a speaker. Now here we have the Music Hub C1, and this is designed to take your sound system phone free, so you don't get music interruptions from incoming calls and notifications. Now it features a standalone touchscreen that runs your favorite apps like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. It also features a 5-band EQ knob and tap playlist shortcuts. Now it does feature a built-in karaoke mode that instantly strips vocals from any track, but in my testing you can slightly tell that it's actively removing the vocals and the music quality is slightly reduced. Now this is something that can get better in time with software updates in the future. Now the Music Hub does feature quick swap device control at the top, giving you quick access to control 3 different speakers individually. Now overall, the touchscreen is very responsive, the buttons have a really nice feel to them, and the matte black design is very sleek. The only shortcoming I've noticed here is the battery life could be better, but I guess that isn't a problem if you keep it docked somewhere and plugged in. So to sum things up, if you're looking to control the music at home and you don't want to be tied up to your phone, say you're hosting and you got people over, definitely check out the Music Hub. Now right now, these Morning Blues products are on Kickstarter with 30 to 45% discounts for early bird backers. The Music Hub is going to be coming in at $219 for early birds, and the Lyric speaker is coming in at $650. Now I'll leave links down below for both of these products. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and again, thank you to Morning Blues for sponsoring this video.